first thing I did was send out a survey to all the staff, and basically the teachers responded in the things that they wanted to see next year. And out of that survey, the teachers actually want to keep the same foci, which is wonderful. But they also want to add more technology and more social emotional learning, which we're very excited because our theme is know their story. So social emotional learning is one of our top priorities here with the needs of our community.
And we have two great SC3 coaches, that have been well trained, and so now we'll be able to put some of that training, into practice. And so we're excited about their opportunity to share a lot of what they've learned through the coaching process.
And the teachers also, their feedback was they definitely want more differentiated PD, so we're going to fit that into our collaborative calendar. And they want to continue the lesson study design. They really felt that was very beneficial. From that survey, since technology was one of the key things that they want to see, I was able to meet with our tech support teacher and talk to him and discussed what he felt he was able to train and do. And so we created a form together and sent it out, the survey to the staff, and got their feedback on some of the technology that they want next year. So we have that set. And so we went back to the workshop method, but this time I'm able to use Socrative, which is, I know it's throwing it out there, but basically we're going through the same process. So we're looking now at developing student and the teacher behaviors, and we're starting with the student behaviors first, because I feel that that's very important so the teachers know what the students are expected, so what that success criteria looks like, what we expect the students to be mastering, and going through the same process. But now we're able to dig a little deeper because we've already been, so I'm just going to say academic discourse, we've already been working with it for a year. So now when the teachers say students should be working collaboratively, now we're able to dig even a little deeper and say, okay, so what does that look like, right?
Not always just a think, pair, share, go a little bit deeper with it, project-based, type of activities, and where they're really communicating with each
and like
other.
third, six are coming prepared. Well, when we say coming prepared to have those collaborative conversations, what does that look like? What do you mean by coming prepared? So now the teachers are really digging deep into it. And so what we're doing is once we get all the teachers' feedback, then the teachers go back and they vote. So we're looking at 3 to 5 behaviors that we can really focus on. So it's really the teachers being empowered to determine what the behaviors and the foci is for the site. So it's actually a great process.
Yeah, it's been really exciting. And then another thing that we were able to do that we've started this year just as a trial run is give the teachers an extra planning opportunity. So the teachers are actually going to have an additional 50-minute planning block as a grade level. And what they're going to basically use that time for is a lot of the planning, based on this instructional foci, or they might do lesson study, preparation during that time, and just give them another opportunity to really work, as a team. So we're excited about that for them.
So that's where we are. I think we're moving in the right direction.